Back to my YouTube channel BBC World News. This time we talk about Mozambique new actor joined political dialogue in the country. Political party we seat in provincial assembly are now part of political dialogue from the currently underway in the country, enabling them to the participation in decision making, the establishment of the reform and the achievement of stability. The decision was announced yesterday in Maputo by the President of the Republic Daniel Chapo at the end of another round of dialogue, with while attended by the leader of the Podemos Albino Forquila, MDM Lutro Simango, Nova Democracia, and the Salmo Mushenga, and the Ivan Schwartz representing the leader of Renmo, Usofo Mohamed. And on the occasion, Chapo explained that the inclusion of this political party in a step toward the inclusion and the coverage of different sections of society in order to achieve the desired consensus on the reform. Acting as spokesperson for the meeting, the head of state mentioned as new member of the Forum of the Partido Revolucionario Democrático with 6 mandate in the Provincial Assembly of the Niassa Pahamu with 8 in Cabo Delgado and the Peroso 2 in the Inhabit and the Perna with 5 seats in Gaza in the spirit of the inclusion. New Democracy led by the Saldomo Mushanga with 60 seats in the Municipal Assembly for the Guerrero is also included, Chapo explained. As for the content of document that will guide the reform, Chapo said there was already consensus regarding the term of reference at the agreement and that instrument is completely ready. We believe that the document cannot move forward without the presence of other political forces because the objective is to build a future based on the consensus to achieve stability, he said. And he reiterated that the dialogue would cover all sectors from civil society and the public and the private sector to the religious demonetization and the community leader and the media. He said that the ongoing dialogue would enable to a review of political package so that the next election would be peaceful, improve decentralization of the constitution of the republic. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.